Hi, this is Carlos Encarnacion, and today we're going to be talking about the researching different platforms. There are three platforms that we are going to be talking about, which are Skype, Zoom, and Webroom. After doing a deep investigation of all three platforms, we're going to be able to answer all of the question of part one. Starting with is this the platform free or does it require a subscription payment? There are two options on Skype, Zoom, and Webroom, as far as I know. There's a payment option where you can be able to, or at least on Zoom, I'm sorry, in Webroom. Skype didn't mention anything as far as I read. But if you use Zoom and Webroom, they give you extra features on the payment options, on the subscription option, other features such as a whiteboard and other stuff. Do you have a register and signing? For all three, I register and signing, but the one that I use the most are Skype and Zoom, especially for my students. Can it be used on all browser and most of the devices? And all the devices on all browsers, all of those three platforms are able to develop well. Can your students see each other? Yes, they can. Is there a interactive whiteboard? Yes, there's an interactive whiteboard on all of them. I think that on Webroom and Zoom, on the payment option, on the subscription option, is when you are able to use the picture of the whiteboard. Is it possible to share a screen? On all of them, there's possible to share a screen. Is there a chat feature? Yes, there's a chat feature. Are the breakout rooms for pair or group? As I saw when I logged in on Webroom make you allow you to do a breakout room in pairs. The others two in group. Is there a help section with tutorial too? Help to understand to each platform? Yes, there's a video tutorial. So by this way, you can be able to see all the features of each platform. What are the advantage of the particular platforms? All of them have this specific advantages, which is communicate with the students, especially on those moments that we are facing right now for this outbreak. That's one of the advantage. Other advantages that allow you to provide a good quality class with all your students. And now we're gonna go to part two, where we are going to invite my wife to join this Zoom meeting. And so by this way, she can, we are gonna be able to develop, we're gonna be able to see all the features for this platform, which is Zoom, the one that we're recording this video. So now we're gonna ask her to join this meeting. Just give me 1 second, let me let her know. All right, let's see. Click on it. All right. Now she's on. She's getting connected to the audio. We're waiting. Let's wait. Hi, how are you? Now we're gonna be able to see a few stuff. All right, after a few difficulties, we're gonna be able to continue this recording video. Now that we have my wife on the other line, she didn't want to be seen, and we're gonna looking at the pictures of this Zoom meeting, where we have the ability of security, see the participant chats, and share a screen, stop and recording, reaction. Those are the a few features that give you Zoom and on his non-pay profile. So if I start hitting sharing screen, we're gonna be able to be seeing my screen. So can you, Patty, text, write on the text on the chat that you're able to see my screen? Are you able to do that? I'm gonna stop sharing. So here we're able to see all the participants, all views, the different views, the different angles. Okay, yes, yes I can. She said, yes I can. Okay, so now you can disconnect, Patty. Thank you very much. And we're gonna be continuing with the part 3, which is reflect and share. Which of the 3 platforms do you think is the best for your online lesson? The one that we are more used to is Zoom and Meet. Even though Meet is not over here, I would like to mention Meet. I think Zoom is easier to use. Why I have to chosen this platform? For the same reason, it's more, we are more used to use this platform. It's really easy to do, and we are able to share our class successfully. What are some ways to develop a rapport with your learners? We are able to build a rapport with our learner, starting by asking personal questions, asking them how was their day, how was the weekend, for example, if you are starting the week, and things like that. Those are the better way to build a rapport with your learners. What are some ways to develop, what are 2 things new teachers should do to teach online? First, it's to get to know their platform. That's really important. That way, they don't have to waste a lot of time while the process of the class. And second is to, for example, being able to being prepared for the class. Those are the 2 main things that teachers should have in mind at the moment to start an online class. And I think that'll be all. Thank you very much. That'll be all.